Number 45 on page 301 is going to ask us to compare the severity of the 1978 Mexico City earthquake, which had a Richter scale value of 7.9, to the 1994 Los Angeles earthquake, which had a Richter scale value of 6.6. So we're going to use the earthquake intensity formula that was given, and we're going to apply it with our properties of logs to find the comparison. So setting this up, R1, so this is going to be Mexico City, is going to be the log of A1 over T plus B, and that is equal to the 7.9 that was given in the problem. And when we look at Los Angeles's intensity log equation, we're going to have the log of A2 over T plus B, and that is going to equal the value of 6.6. So using what we know about properties of logs and wanting to compare their intensities, we want to compare A1 and A2. T and B, since they are measured from the same place, are the same values, so that's why they don't have subscripts. So knowing that using the quotient property in reverse, if we subtract these two, we'll end up with a ratio of our A's. So we're going to take the log of A1 over T plus B minus the log of A2 over T plus B. And when we do that, we can subtract off the B's because they're going to eliminate each other. So we're going to have the log of A1 over T minus the log of A2 over T, and that is going to equal 7.9 minus 6.6. Okay, and then using our quotient property and simplifying it, we get the log of A1 divided by A2 is going to equal 1.3. So, writing this using our properties of exponents, we get A1 over A2 is going to equal 10 to the 1.3 power, and 10 to the 1.3 power is about 19.95. So the Mexico quake was about 20 times more severe.